Effective advice to succeed in affiliate marketing. Breaking into the affiliate marketing business can be a fairly daunting task if you do not have guidance. There is a huge array of affiliate companies, all with varying products, rules, and commission structures. With a little guidance from these tips, however, you can formulate a strategy that will limit risk while maximizing revenue. Define your goals before you start working if you want to achieve the best results. This is something all business owners have to do, and it doesn't change simply because your business operates online. Take your time and write down your goals and overall mission. Having something solid to aspire to will help you reach your destination. Starting out with foundation links from trusted sites is the best way to go when you're just getting started. Seeking links from authority sites within your market is better than having unrelated links for the purposes of traffic and name recognition. Although there are shortcuts you can take, never tempt the integrity of your site by going the easy route. The prudent website owner will take an affiliate's reputation into consideration when he or she decides whether or not to work with the affiliate. Regardless of the potential profits or the sales potential of the affiliate's products, an affiliate that is tough for customers to deal with will reflect poorly on the webmaster. Affiliate marketing is a great way to link your website or blog to companies that can make you money. Adding links for specific products to your site will help to not only draw you more targeted traffic, but also earn you a percentage if the people click the link and buy it. No business endeavor is completely free of risk, but there are certainly ways to minimize that risk. The tips above provide a solid foundation that will help you to create and maintain a healthy affiliate marketing business. Once you bite the bullet and start making money, you'll be glad that you watched this video. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.